Hello, my name is Karen King. I'm a licensed Unity teacher and a practitioner for Centers for Spiritual Living. And as I explain in my mind-body workshops, in healing any health challenge, it's important to approach the discomfort through spirit as well as science. Whenever I have a digestive challenge, I often turn to the writings of Deanna Ann Minich, a mind-body healer with a PhD degree in nutrition, who makes sensible suggestions in her handbook entitled Quantum Healing. If you are trying to avoid heartburn, esophageal reflux, ulcers, and other stomach problems, you must take a look at your diet. It's important to avoid fatty fried foods, citrus fruits and juices, as well as caffeinated foods and beverages like coffee, tea, or chocolate. Avoid tomatoes and spicy foods, especially before bedtime. It is also important to eat small, frequent meals throughout the day rather than large ones. Chew food thoroughly and take sufficient time to eat. Drink adequate water in between meals, and drink herbal teas such as chamomile, licorice, and mint. Work with a qualified healthcare professional to identify food allergies and include supplements containing calcium and magnesium along with digestive enzymes with meals. In addition to these measures, it's important to tap into that 95% of your subconscious through meditation and visualization. You need to find the emotion behind the discomfort as recommended by mind-body healers such as Louise Hay and Dr. Joe Dispenza. Most often, the emotion is anger, rage, or a burning fear backed by anger over the turbulence around you. Sometimes we just can't digest all the irritation in life. It's important that you make a daily affirmation. And here's one that is recommended. I keep life in perspective. Harmony is threaded through the fabric of my life. The big picture of my life is integrated with my everyday actions. Say these words whenever there is a flare-up. Consult with a physician in extreme onsets and meditate daily. Harmony is threaded through the fabric of my life. The big picture of my life is integrated with my everyday actions. I keep my life in perspective. And now I would like to begin a visualization that will help you calm your mind and your body. Imagine you are sitting at a simple wooden table. You are relaxed and focused on your breathing. Pay special attention to your stomach. Send some deep breaths of fresh air into the pocket of the stomach to prepare it for this clearing visualization. Before you, on the table, sit 2 small glasses filled with liquid. You are intrigued by their contents, and you feel that they are there for you to heal any issues that you are having with heartburn. One glass feels like it is available to heal your emotional issues around heartburn, while the other is to help you with the physical manifestation. The first glass is filled with an opaque liquid that looks similar to milk. yet it is opalescent. When you look closely at it, you notice a swirling mixture of light pastel streams of color embedded into the milky matrix. You take a sip, and it tastes good. So you drink the entire contents in one swallow. The swirling milky liquid winds down your throat, through your esophagus, and finally into your stomach. It coats all these parts of you and penetrates into the tissue a bit, releasing any stuck fear and replacing that fear with nurturing and a soothing feeling. The doorway entering your stomach, which is typically tight and constrained, is especially coated and imbued with the message of peace. This milky liquid sends the energy of everything will be all right to your stomach on a very deep level. And in an instant, you have the recognition that you are confronted only with situations you can handle. Nothing seems insurmountable. You feel cradled and supported, yet empowered and invigorated at the same time. All the fears that you were trying to digest are now relieved. Your stomach is relaxed and able to look at these situations in a larger context. You remove yourself from the worry embedded into your stomach. You are then ready to take in the second liquid, which is a yellowish fluid that looks something like lemonade. Already, as the glass sits in your hands, you have a pleasant feeling of joy that washes over you. There is something very pleasant about this fluid. You take a sip, and it tastes sweet and tangy. This small sip of liquid journeys to your stomach, and along the way it quells any inflammation. You take the remaining sips. This liquid contains the consciousness of balance, and the mere presence of it in your stomach sends a message to harmonize the acid production and distribution. This added energy washes through you, and you feel a sense of relief. Your stomach no longer feels like a volcano spewing forth acid with stress or with meals. It now feels like it has been taken care of and provided with support for clearing and release. Take a deep breath. And as you do so, send this second liquid down to your stomach, swirling it together with the first liquid in your stomach. Place your hands on your stomach and ask that your healer and warrior energies work with your stomach from this point forward to digest life's experiences without undue stress, worry, or inflammation. This, dear ones, is the end of this contemplation. But in your daily meditations, I would encourage you to engage in a sipping meditation in which you use a glass of water, about 8 ounces, and with every sip, you think of a word that would help you to flow more with the river of life. Think of the word. Take a sip of water and see that intention filling your belly with the ability to synthesize, integrate, and fully participate without fear in all of life's events. Do this, emptying the glass slowly. Continue until the glass is empty. Namaste.